Hello, you absolute legends. My name is Don Cavanaugh, and I want to talk about some basics of organic chemistry concerning the oxidation of carbon. Now, the oxidation is the loss of an electron. In organic chemistry, we focus a lot on carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen. So when we discuss the oxidation of carbon, we are talking about the loss of an electron, and that's concomitant with an addition of an oxygen bond. So let's consider this 4-carbon alkane here. I don't have all the hydrogens drawn, but I want to focus on this carbon here. I should highlight that in red, because this is the carbon that has something interesting to it, and it's doing an oxidation reaction, meaning that an oxygen bond is going to be added to this carbon right here. Now, when doing mechanisms and you're a new learner in organic chemistry, I recommend you just redraw your starting materials identically over here, because it helps you see the changes. So I drew the exact same thing over here, and I'm doing that to help keep me in check, because this is going to be different, but not terribly different. For example, there's still going to be 4 carbons in my answer. So why don't I just go ahead and draw the 4 carbons. To add another oxygen bond to this carbon, we need to remember that carbon bonds 4 times. This carbon is already bonded 4 times, so it's going to lose this hydrogen bond to gain a new oxygen bond here on the end. And this is this is oxidizing this carbon by adding another oxygen bond. Let's do another example of that. Let's pick a similar 4-carbon structure. So here I have a 4-carbon structure, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here I have a highlighted carbon in red, and it is going to go an oxidation reaction. Now, in organic chemistry, oxidation also means adding an oxygen bond. So right here, we're going to redraw as a product just our original molecule, because our product is going to look different, but it's not going to look that different. So all I did was just redraw everything here, okay? Now, if I'm going to add an oxygen bond here, the simplest thing that could happen is that this oxygen forms another bond, because oxygen can do double bonding right here. So this is the simplest thing, the simplest mechanism. Now, carbon only bonds 4 times. So what else is going to happen here? 1, 2, 3, 4. This hydrogen is going to be. Okay, it's going to be part of the reaction. With these examples here as a basics of organic chemistry, I want you to recognize just basic patterns that you can just add and remove an oxygen bond, keeping in tune that the number of carbons are going to stay the same. The number of times that carbon bonds is going to be 4, just double checking your details to come to your answer. I hope this helps. Thank you.